How to fix no internet connection showing over on TikTok. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get rid of this problem. So do kindly watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. The first thing you need to do is to get back and go to your Play Store and App Store, and now you have to search for TikTok and make sure that your application is up to date, like it is updated to the latest version of the TikTok, so that you can access all the features in it. Alright, so once the application is updated, the second thing you need to do is to again go back and go to your device settings. So for now I'm having my device settings right here. Just hit that. Now you have to find applications management. And in applications management you have to search for TikTok. Go to storage usage, and you can simply click on clear cache. Now simply click on clear cache to clear all the cache memory of the TikTok. You can also click on clear data if you want to reset the application, but for now I'm going to clear only the cache memory. So after that, again go back and simply launch the application right away, and boom, you can see our problem has been fixed, and now I can easily access the TikTok. All for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching.